Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find the fuses, relays for the radio, the audio system on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain guys where you can expect to find these fuses, relays. Also if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below for your convenience so you can see where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So for the radio, also known as audio fuses guys and relays, where you can expect to find them, we'll be working today guys in a fuse box that's hidden. Quick advice guys, this GMC Sierra has many hidden fuse boxes. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it can save you a lot of money guys. Here we need to open the passenger door, and here on the side of the dash, let's zoom in, you see that's your dash guys. We need to pry that cover open. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. But before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, let's zoom in a little bit so you can clearly see what we're talking about. For year 2018, the fuse boxes are a little bit different. They will look almost the same, there will be difference only in a few fuses, but specifically for the radio, audio, sound amplifier system, the fuses will be the same for all the years of that generation GMC Sierra. And the first fuse that we need to check is known as fuse number 18 guys. We're talking about that 20 amp fuse right here, that's fuse number 18. The next fuse, okay, that you will need to check is known as fuse number 36. And 36 is that 30 amp fuse right here. Now if your radio doesn't work, sound amplifier doesn't work, we have a special video that explains why radio does not work on GMC Sierra on the channel. Check it out, it can save you a lot of money. You don't have any relays, you just have these fuses that are known as relay fuses. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.